So you might be trying to decide which is better, the Galaxy ZFold 3 or the S22 Ultra. You might be surprised. Let's check it out. Starting off with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, you get a gorgeous slab phone with very minimalistic lines, a metal side. It's a big phone, but because of the design, it's more comfortable to hold in your hands. And I love the clean lines with this design. Now, you also have a integrated S Pen. It has a punch hole camera on the front and a super impressive camera module on the back. It has 120 Hertz infinity, a 6.8 inch. This display is big, the colors are vibrant, the image is very sharp, and I have to say that it is easily the best display on any phone today. The Galaxy ZFold 3 clearly is different because of the fact that it is a folding phone. So you're getting two displays. You're getting a 7.6 inch display on the inside and a 6.2 inch display on the outside. The hinge design is very nice because it has been updated from the previous version. A pinhole camera on the front, have an under display camera on the inside, and you have a triple camera module on the back. Holding the phone is very comfortable. Both phones come with a fingerprint scanner, and the one on the Fold 3 is integrated into the power button, while on the Ultra, it has a in-display sensor. Both types of sensors work very well. To me, the S Pen is the reason for the season. Both phones support S Pen, but the Ultra comes with a silo and an onboard S Pen. On the other hand, the Fold doesn't have a silo, nor does it come with an S Pen. You have to spend another $50 for the S Pen and maybe $50 for a decent case, bringing it up to about $100 extra. As far as the durability is concerned, the Fold 3 has a IPX8 rating, so you don't have to worry about getting it wet, and I haven't had any issues with either phone so far as damage from water or dust. The Ultra has a IPX68, but for long-term use, I'm going to give it to the S22 Ultra because it has no hinges, no folding, no dust getting into the hinge mechanism causing damage. When it comes to performance, keep in mind that the Galaxy ZFold 3 comes with a powerful Snapdragon 888 processor, and both the 256 and the 512 gigabyte variants comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM. The Ultra comes with the newer Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, the 128 gigabyte models with 8 gigs of RAM, and the other ones, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte models comes with 12 gigs of RAM. Suffice it to say, both are extremely fast, no lags anywhere, and it's hard to bog it down. When it comes to the camera system, the Fold 3 has a 10 megapixel camera system, 4 megapixel under display camera. But now the Ultra has Samsung's most advanced camera system in phones to date, with a 40 megapixel front facing camera, a 108 megapixel wide camera, a ultra wide camera, and two 10 megapixel telephoto cameras, with one has a 3 times optical zoom and the other one has a 10 times optical zoom. Now, ultimately, both cameras are premium quality and they will satisfy just about any Note or Samsung user. Here again, the Ultra has the most advanced camera system. It can shoot up to 8K video at 24 frames per second versus the Fold 4K at 60 frames per second. Now, the Fold beats out the Ultra with something that no other phone has, the Flex mode. And the Flex mode allows you to have the ability to have a built-in kickstand, so you can use it to take photos or shoot videos as well. Speaking of long-term use, the S22 Ultra has the advantage here because Samsung has improved their previous level of support, and now they offer up to 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security updates. They both have the ability to use Samsung DeX. When you combine it with a mouse and a keyboard, you're changing your phone into a powerful desktop experience like no other phone on the market. And I think this particular feature is super underrated. When it comes to battery life and charging, the ZFold 3 comes with a 4400 milliamp battery and 25 watts charging versus the 5000 milliamp battery and 45 watt charging on the S22. The Ultra easily outlasts the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Here's the difference. The Fold is better at multitasking. You have a very large screen. You can have 3 apps open at the same time. You essentially have a phone and a 7-inch tablet. It's better for games. The sound is better. And because of the real estate, you're going to be more productive on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 than you would be on the S20 Ultra. The Flex mode is very unique and it's very useful. However, the battery is about 75% of what you get on the Ultra. The durability, of course, is less because of the folding hinges. Now, the Ultra is more portable, a faster processor, better camera, better battery life, comes with the built-in S Pen, and it costs less. The sound is not as good as it is on the Z Fold 3. So, if you want portability, a top-notch camera system, go with the S22 Ultra. But now, if you want a larger screen, better productivity device, better at browsing the web, better at watching videos, a better speaker, go with the Z Fold 3. I have both, and I'm glad. The S22 Ultra starts at $11.99 for the 120 gigabytes version, and the Fold 3 starts at $17.99 for the 256 version. Now, if you found value in this comparison between these two outstanding phones, help a tech brother out. Give me a like, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell to see my next video when it comes out. Share and comment. In the comment section, tell me which of the two do you prefer and why. Now, if you like this video, you might like one of these up there somewhere. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.